Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Would you have a minute?
It's okay. Can I have a seat?
Alright, thank you. So,
Mm-hmm.
I have this client.
Yes.
I've been conversing with him through email,
Mm-hmm.
but he doesn't have the confidence of buying an off-plan project. Like he has had a bad past with purchasing off-plan projects because of developers not meeting the expectations.
Okay.
Yeah. So like I'm having a hard time trying to convince him that an off-plan project is even much better than a ready-made house.
Yeah. What you need to also understand is that most Kenyans have been conned before in these off-plan projects, and I know most of them they've had a very bad experience, and that's why some of them would prefer buying a ready-made house. But that is because maybe they're not knowledgeable enough about off-plan. Number one, we have several benefits of buying into an off-plan project. The first and the most important one is the flexibility in payment. Any off-plan project gives you an option of having a flexible payment plan. Because you will only deposit a certain amount of money, and then you begin the construction with the developer up to the end. And also highlight to that client that there is that option of having a room for customization to your preference. You can personalize that house to your preferences. Unlike a ready-made house that you will find it ready built. So making those customization might be a bit costly for a ready-made house. But for off-plan, you will begin from scratch with the developer. And at WeMark, we will always sit down with the engineer on site. He will give you options that we have. He'll also give you what you have. Then we can merge the two and we come up with something that you really want, exactly what you've been looking for. And then there's also another advantage of having discounted prices. Yeah, we have discounted prices. Because you can imagine we are offering a beachfront house at 15 million. And the truth be told, any beachfront housing or houses along the coast, they range from around 30 million and above. But we are giving at a half price. Why? Because it's an off-plan project. And now attached to the discounted price is an aspect of capital appreciation. So when you're buying something at a discounted price, and then when you talk of capital appreciation, I mean there'll be that increase in the market price of that investment. And in this case, if, for example, I want to buy these houses at Pazuri at 15 million, I'll have that flexibility of what I want and all that. But at the end of the day, as soon as I get the keys to that house, I'll not sell that house at 15 million. I'll be selling that house at 30 million. Double the price within 1 year. Then, very important that you also need to highlight to your client is the fact that he or she is going to get a brand new house.
Wow, yes, sure.
You know, most of these ready-made houses, most of them, they are more than 30 years old. Those are houses that were built back then. And maybe someone has stayed there for the longest time possible and is feeling like, let me now dispose this house. So you not get a good brand new house. But when you're talking of an off-plan house, it means that this is a house that you want to build from scratch. It's just like building your own house, but now you're doing it in partnership with the developer. So that is the advantage of an off-plan project.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I'm quite confident on what I'm going to tell my clients.
I hope you've noted them well.
Very
so
well,
when
sir.
you email, just highlight those, and in case he or she will need more clarification about the off-plan project, feel free to share my number with that client.
Yeah,
I'll
sure.
talk to her.
I'll tell
Is
you
that okay?
Thank you so much,
You're
sir.
welcome.
Wimark Properties, credible luxury.